Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share some delicious and healthy carb cycling recipes to help you achieve your fitness goals. Carb cycling is a popular eating strategy that involves alternating between high and low-carb days to optimize fat burning and muscle building. So, get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these tasty meal ideas. Let's start with a high-carb breakfast option. Prepare a bowl of overnight oats by combining rolled oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning you'll have a creamy and nutritious breakfast that will keep you energized throughout the day. For a satisfying low-carb lunch, try making a colorful salad bowl. Toss together a generous amount of mixed greens, grilled chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, avocado, and a drizzle of lemon vinaigrette. This refreshing and nutrient-packed salad will fuel your body with essential vitamins and proteins. Need a snack to keep you going during the day? How about some delicious sweet potato fries? Slice sweet potatoes into thin strips, season them with your favorite herbs and spices, and bake them in the oven until crispy. These guilt-free fries provide a good dose of carbohydrates and are packed with fiber and vitamins. For a satisfying low-carb dinner, try our zucchini noodle stir-fry. Spiralize zucchinis into noodle-like shapes and stir-fry them with colorful bell peppers, mushrooms, and lean protein like shrimp or tofu. Season with soy sauce and garlic for an Asian-inspired flavor. This nutritious and low-carb meal will keep you satisfied without the extra calories. That's it for our carb cycling recipes. Remember, these meal ideas are just a starting point, and you can customize them to fit your preferences. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your overall fitness, carb cycling can help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty and healthy recipes.